I'd like to share with you this script that I wrote to automate the process of checking if you have URLs in your XML sitemaps that are blocked by your own robots.txt file. So it's a very short script, but the main idea is that you want to check this for a bunch of URLs, and you want this across all the available different rules. So this is, for example, the user agents in Google's robots file, and each one has a different set of rules, so you want to run this in bulk. So at the end of this page, I've put everything in one file, so as you can run it as a full script. So let me show you how this runs. I'm just going to copy this and go ahead and paste it here. So I have this file called adv robots blocking to sitemap URLs. Okay, so I'm going to use uv to run this. So uv run this file, and you can ask for help to see the documentation. You only have to give it a robots URL. Optionally, you can give it an output file to save the output. So let's do this now. HTTPS. Let's do Brighton SEO, for example, /robots.txt. So it's going to go ahead and grab the file, parse it, get the rules, XML sitemaps, get all the URLs there, run a check, and it got me an empty data frame. Empty data frame means great. There's nothing that you cannot fetch in your robots.txt. So all you have to do is, so let's check our friends here, WordLift. And again, here's the robots file. I have a bunch of XML sitemaps. All of them have been retrieved and all the combinations have been run. And we have an empty data frame, which means they've done a great job, and there are no errors there. So as you can see, it's very easy and very quick to run. Here's the script. You can grab it and use it. And if you have any recommendations or errors, please let me know. I hope you like it. Thank you.